Now, let us look at an important relation between d square x by dy square and d square y by dx square and dy by dx. So, how can we express d square x by dy square in terms of these two expressions? So, as you can understand, d square x by dy square is not exactly equal to 1 by dy square by dx square. So, this does not work. So, 1 by, if you bring this dx square to the denominator of denominator, it doesn't work, because as you can see, this doesn't make any sense. What is dy square by dx square? That doesn't make any sense. And also, second problem is that dx square is not a number which can be taken to the denominator. So this same process can be applied for dy by dx. That is, if you have dx by dy, I can write it as 1 by dy by dx. I can do this because the first differentiation is a simple ratio of two numbers. But the second differentiation is not a simple ratio of two numbers. It's not the ratio of dx square and dy square. It's not the ratio of, this is d square x by dy square. D square x by dy square is not same as 1 by dy square by d square x. Now, what is the relation between these two? That's what we need to understand. So let us try to go from the very basics. So d square x by dy square by definition is d by dy of dx by dy. So this can be written as d by dy of 1 by dy by dx. So dx by dy can be written as 1 by dy by dx, because these two are just simple infinitesimally small numbers. So that is equal to, so usually, as you know, dy by dx usually will be in terms of x. Dy by dx will be usually in terms of x. So what I do is, d of 1 by dy by dx by dx into dx by dy. So what I am doing is, now d of something is a number, d of y is a number. So I can separate these two, d of something and dy are separated, and I am multiplying and dividing with dx. So now what will this happen? This is equal to, so this is d by dx of 1 by something. If you take this as some stuff, I am using chain rule. So 1 by dy by dx. So 1 by something's differentiation is minus 1 by something square minus 1 by something square into the differentiation of this something. What is the differentiation of? So that is d by dx of dy by dx, right? d by dx of dy by dx into dx by dy. That is nothing but minus of d square y by dx square. This is nothing but d square y by dx square divided by, this is dy by dx whole square, and this, if you bring this to the denominator, this also becomes dy by dx. So you have dy by dx whole cube. So this is the relation between d square x by dy square and d square y by dx square and dy by dx. So d square x by dy square is equal to minus of d square y by dx square divided by dy by dx whole cube.